Hey there mga may loves collective. Let's check no yung mga highlights no na kumbaga parang mga sneak peek or mga nagsa-stand out na mga mensahe for your October 2023. Excuse me. Ayan mga babes no, tingnan natin dito yung mga highlights ng inyong October 2023 for most of you. So para ito sa mga nakakarami. So yan, just take only what resonates with you, of course, syempre no. And wala tayong gender dito. So, let's see. Let's start with the oracles right here. Angel Oracle cards. So, tingnan natin. No? Kumbaga parang ano ba yung magiging highlight ng inyong October. So, yun yung titingnan natin. Okay? So, let's see. Thank you so much everyone sa inyong support. No? And thank you so much sa Meralco. Naibalik na yung kuryente namin mga taga-DT. So, ayan. No? Hindi ko alam kung ano nangyari. No? Pero, syempre, no, mahirap rin sa part nila. Kasi, syempre, nag-uulan, no? Tapos, mag-aayos ng kuryente. So, sobrang delikado yun. So, ayan. No? Thank you so much, Meralco. May pagbate. So, yun yung mga babes. No? So, let's see. Spirits and Angel, guys. Archangel Michael, thank you so much. Ano bang mga highlights for my Nakshis for the month of October for most of them? Tell me something about the highlights. Just gathering up all the energies for you mga Mayos. Highlights for their October 2023. What's in store for them? What are the messages that stands out? Nakita ko na piatos. So, hindi po ako endorser nun. This could be a reading kung kumain ka niyan or nakita mo yung ads niyan somewhere. Or baka nadaanan mo yan habang nag-grocery ka. So, yeah. Just take how this resonates. Alright, let's rock this. Okay. So we have here the don't stop. Yeah, it looks like one of the highlights for October is that spirits and angel guides mo, your guardians, mga babes, no, are telling you to don't stop believing right here because as you can see, sana nakikita, no, yung parang yung malaking halo dyan, yung parang malaking ring light dyan, mga babes, no. Napaka-colorful niyan. So, nakikita ko rito, no, na parang there's a rainbow always after the rain. Yeah, so, hindi lang yan sa south border na kanta. It's more than that. So, ibig sabihin, no, there's a rainbow always after the rain. So, ano bang ibig sabihin nun? Ibig sabihin, mga babes ko, ano yung pinaghihirapan mo ngayon, no? Magkakaroon ng magandang pagbubunga sa October 2023 or makakakita ka rito ng progress. Like, mapapansin, matatanaw mo na, no, yung liwanag dyan sa ginagawa mo, pinagbubuhusan ng effort, whether trabaho yan, no, pwedeng love life yan, anumang areas of your life yan, may interest, may passion, may effort kang nilalagay, no? Spirits are saying, don't stop. Okay? And syempre, wag ka rin liliko, mga babes, no? Don't stop believing kasi nakita ko rito na parang sometimes, no, hindi mo mapigilan mag-doubt. Okay? Wag ka mag-doubt. Okay? Because it will just delay whatever it is. It's coming, honey. Okay? It's coming. So, don't stop believing. Don't stop what you're doing right here. So, continue whatever it is. Okay? So, we also have here the reconsider. Yeah. Spirits is saying as well to you, Taurus, that there is something here, some kind of a truth. This is a sword. This is some kind of truth na pwedeng hindi mo alam, no? Or has something to do with bagay na itinatago, inililihim sa'yo. And with the reconsider right here, not necessarily na this is a harsh truth or hindi maganda or negatibong truth, no? But with the reconsider, mas nakukuha ko rito, no, is pwedeng meron ditong information, mga babes, no, na mas makatutulong sa'yo, no, sa pag-angat ng kung ano man yung ginagawa mo or baka makadagdag dito, no, sa progress ng kung ano man yung gusto mo ditong isulong or gawin. Reconsider has something to do with ganito. Kunwari, meron kang project na inaasikaso and you want recognition, you want that higher position, you are nominated, no, para dyan sa posisyon na yan, no, or gusto mo yung posisyon na yan, no, regardless kung business man yan, nakatrabaho ko sa company, no, meron kang mga options na kinoconsider dito, no, na pwede mo ritong ilagay, Pwedeng yan yung mga ideas mo, concepts mo, no? Yung mga nilalaman ng isipan mo na pwede mong i-apply sa business mo, sa trabaho mo, no, para ma-achieve mo yung goal na yan, no. So spirits are saying right here, no, na nasa mga naiisip mo na, no, yung susi para sa ikakaangat, no, dito ng kung ano man yung pinaghihirapan, pinagpupukusan mo. Okay? So pwedeng meron kang ideas dito na parang tingin ko mas maganda yung isa. Yan, no? Kung ano yung parang hindi mo mas pinipili, it's like the universe is saying right here to think about it one more time. Because that is the thing na pwedeng mas pala makakatulong sa'yo. Okay? So, it's an information. It's a big information right here. Yun yung mas nakukuha ko dyan. For others, pwedeng maghanda lang kayo kasi parang meron kayo ditong malalaman, no? But it's not negative. Hindi negative yung nakukuha ko, no? So, maaring maging useful yan, no, para sa inyo yung information na yun. So, meron dito ibabahaging information sa inyo, pwedeng galing sa friends nyo, sa ibang tao, na close sa inyo, sa katrabaho, no, at yun ang mga babes, no, ay makatutulong sa'yo. So, wow, ang ganda, no. So, kuha pa tayo. We have here to listen to your intuition. Importante at mahalaga na makikinig kayo sa intuition ninyo sa lahat ng desisyon na gagawin ninyo. Okay, panalo, no? Okay tayo dun, nagagamitin natin yung isipan natin, no? Mag-iisip tayo, magpaplano, no? Okay yan, pero most likely kapag mag-desisyon ang gagamitin sana hanggat maaari is ang ating intuition, no? Kasi when you use your intuition over your mind, okay, your decision will never be wrong. It's always right. Okay? But if your mind is saying no, but your intuition is saying yes to it, okay? Rather choose na sundin mo yung intuition mo. Kasi hindi ka magkakamali. Okay? Nakikita ko dito. So, sinasabi ng spirits and angel guides mo that on the month of October, no? Especially kapag magdidesisyon ka sa mga gagawin mo, lagi mong i-consider ang intuition mo. Okay? Okay, no? Kasi yung niisip lang ng mind natin, napaka-constructive, no? Napaka-objective, no? Pero when you apply intuition, no? Your intuition in your decision, no? Hindi ka magkakamali, no? Ito talaga yung nararamdaman ko rito na kailangan kong gawin dito sa ginagawa ko upang magtagumpay ako. Yan, no? You have to listen here into your intuition. Because when you listen to your intuition, what does it mean? It is a connection right here between you and the divine, the universe, the Gaia right here. Okay? Your angels and spirit guides. It's like you're listening to them. Okay? And how was that? You pay with the signs and clues around you. The angel numbers are talking to you. Okay? So, it looks like, mga babes, no, kailangan mong mas mag-pay attention rito, especially pag meron ka talaga ritong decision na gagawin, no? On the month of October right here. And at the bottom of the deck, we have here that it's up to you. Yes, my loves. It's up to you right here in your angels and spirit guides right here. Ay sinasabi sa'yo rito, no, na ano man yung decision na gagawin mo, nasa tabi mo sila rito, no. It's up to you. See, happy sila rito kasi alam nila yung ginagawa mo. Hindi ka magkakamali hanggat yung intuition mo rito yung sinusunod mo. Okay? At hindi ka rito maliligaw ng landas, no, kung hindi ka titigil dito sa kung ano tong pinapangarap mo, gusto mong maabot, gusto mong ma-reach, no, yun na nakikita ko rito. So, yeah, use your intuition right here, honey. Importante talaga yun. So, let's get to know more about this highlights for your month of October right here. Yeah, look at that. We have here the death. So, your life is shifting big right here. Changes are coming right here for you, collective. Ibig sabihin, no, nagbabago rito ang buhay mo dahil sa kung ano yung ginagawa mo na yan. So, pwede may kinalaman yan sa pera mo, sa business mo, baka magtatayo ka ng business dito, or lilipat ka ng trabaho, or magpupursige ka dyan sa trabaho mo na yan. Okay? See? Big transformations yung death. Okay, it's like a rebirth. You are like being reborn again. Yeah, see, look at that. You're dropping your burdens right here. See, yung buhay mo ay hindi na magiging kagaya ng dati at maaari itong magsimula, no, sa buwan ng Oktubre 2023. So, yeah. Wow, this is a very big highlight for you, mga may loves, no? Kasi, di ba, we're asking for most of you, almost all of you, right here. So, these are important messages na hindi mo dapat palampasin. It's like you're shifting right here. Ang ganda nito kasi, di ba? tatapak tayo sa 2024 mga may loves, no, na talaga naman na sobrang magbabago na rito yung buhay mo, no, mas lalo pa itong gaganda, no, sa pagpapalit ng taon. Diba? If you have heartaches or meron ka pang baggages from the past, cards are saying that you have to remove that, okay? Kasi hindi mo na yan kakailanganin sa new life mo rito. Collective, okay? Because you will start building here your life. See? Look at that. Hindi lang yung basta house, no? Mukha na yung castle at mansion sa laki niyan, mga mahal, no? So, ibig sabihin, you're building your life right here. New life, no? And spirits are giving you the opportunities right here. It's like, okay? As long as you listen to your intuition, hindi ka maliligaw. Okay? Ibig sabihin, no? Tuloy mo lang yung ginagawa mo na yan. Okay, let's see. See? Nine of Swords energy. This is what I'm telling you guys. This is you, mga babes, na this is you, no? May ginagawa ka rito. You are in a line of that. In alignment ka doon, no? Pero sometimes, naiisip mo na parang nagda-doubt ka, no? Hindi may iwasan. No? You have to drop that, honey. Okay? Start releasing here, limiting beliefs na hindi ko to maaabot or susuko na ako ngayon, yan, no? So, stop believing to that kasi nakikita ko dito that your angels and spirit guides, no? Almost lahat ito, see, the universe is with you in making this reality of yours happen here. So, you have to release this, okay? Huwag ka na masyado mag-isip rito. You do not need to worry about this because your angels and spirit guides are with you. Yeah, see, look at that. Temperance is right here. This is the universe telling you to balance right here your emotions, your feelings, your decisions in life. Everything is in balance. Okay? Nasa balance ang buhay mo at tatapa ka rito sa pagbabago, sa stability, tatapa ka sa stability. Look at that, number 14, Roman numeral number 14. Roman numeral number 10, yan, no, is a representation of death. Okay? That's new life ending here of something, and then number 4 is the number of stability. So whatever it is that you're doing, yan yung bagay na talagang hindi na mawawala, magiging permanente na sa'yo. See, universe is preparing you and telling you, okay, na parang be patient about yourself, okay, kasi tatapa ka na rito, okay, sa buhay na talagang hinahangad mo. Kaya wala ka dapat ipag-alala. So, tama, diba? Para mas mabilis itong mangyari. Alam mo, baka nga mga babes, no? Kasi we're feeling a strong energy coming in here eh. So, sobrang lupit ng pagka-focus ninyo sa ginagawa nyo to. Wala pang October, others of you magsisimula nang makamit itong bagay na to. Makikita mo yung progress nito sa October, no? Ang ganda ng mensahe for you guys. Yeah. So, yeah, look at that. The star is right here. So, this is a wish fulfillment here, mga may loves. Ito nga yung sinasabi ko, maaabot mo ano man ito pinapangarap mo. Makukuha mo, in short. Marireceive mo ano man yan, material world, material gain, no? Na pinupush mo rito. Makikita mo na yung asenso, progreso, pagbabago sa buhay mo, no? At ang ganda kasi magsisimula na ito sa buwan ng October, yeah, 2023 right here for you guys. Listen to your intuition because you're on your way to your star right here, and yeah, your life will be balanced. Justice is right here. See, changes is about to happen in your life. Roman numeral number 6 is all about victory and success. At ikaw yun. Mag-isa, mga babes, no? And this justice card right here is raising his or her sword. Yan, no? That whatever it is, owl is a representation of emotional happiness and fulfillment. You will feel really fulfilled, satisfied to whatever it is that's waiting for you. Ang ganda, mga babes, no? So, hindi ko alam, no, mga babes, no, kung sino-sino at ano-ano yung mga pangalan ninyo. Pero we're asking for most of you. So, it looks like this is somehow that big news coming for almost all of you guys. So, claim this. Okay? Don't quit. Pwede magpahinga, pero walang susuko. Kasi eto na, your star, okay? You're on your way to your star right here. So, wow! Claim this and receive this, collective, because alam kong deserve mo yan. Pinaghirapan at nakikita ko yun dito, no? Nagpupursige ka rito, yun ang nakikita ko. So, deserve mo to. Okay, release all of your doubts right here. Release all of those limiting beliefs because it will just delay. Okay, it will just delay. Focus here on your goals, honey. Your spirits and angel guides are with you. Alright? So, thank you so much, collective. Ang ganda, mga mahal, no? Gusto kong makuha nyo ito. Okay? Tanggalin nyo lahat ng negative sa mga isipan ninyo. Alright? So, thank you so much. Sana ngayong love and life. Annyeong!